So today we're going to learn how to mix Menopur. Get excited, this is fun. So here's your Menopur, you're gonna start with that. Each box comes with 5 vials of the medication, as well as a corresponding vial of sodium chloride. You're going to get your syringe, typically 3 milliliters, and a mixing needle. Sometimes it comes attached, sometimes they come separate. That mixing needle is typically 22 gauge, 1.5 inch. You're going to have an injection needle, which is typically 27 gauge, 1/2 inch, but this can vary. You're gonna need alcohol swabs, and don't forget your sharps container. So the first thing you're gonna do is pop off, each of these vials here would have a little cap on it, you're gonna pop them off. Then you're going to use your alcohol swab and wipe off the top of each one of these here. Next, you're going to open your syringe and make sure that the needle is screwed on pretty tight, because otherwise med will go everywhere. That's an expensive mistake. Don't do that. You're going to take the lid off of that needle. This one's scary, big, get excited about that. You don't have to inject it into yourself. So you are going to go into the sodium chloride vial and push that needle to the bottom and just pull back until you get over 1 milliliter. Don't overthink it. It's just sodium chloride. So 1 milliliter of fluid is all you need. You're going to take that and inject that 1 milliliter of solution or sodium chloride into your powder vial of Menopur. The Menopur should dissolve pretty quickly, but if not, just kind of give it a little swirl and it'll dissolve. Once it's all dissolved, you're going to keep that needle all the way at the bottom and kind of tilt it and make sure that needle's at the bottom of that tilted area, and just pull back that needle until all of the medication comes out. You start seeing air bubbles. Pull the needle out, and now you can see you have some air in there. Draw back just a little further to make sure there's nothing in this needle, and then go ahead and push it up till it gets to 1. The next thing you're gonna do is go ahead and twist off the mixing needle. Set it aside. You're going to switch to your injection needle. So twist that one on tight. This needle is a little baby, so don't be scared of it. It is 27 gauge, so as far as needles go, this is probably as easy as it's gonna get. Teeny tiny. Now you're ready to do your injection.